Because the last, I think early this year, when we had a meeting with the RDC together with the congressman and the Regional Development Council, na brought up na ni Kong San because me mag-go during the campaign, I wanted a transaction. And Kong San told me that it's a good idea but a coastal road would be better. So I look at his plans and I'm agreeable. So among gipasul sa RDC for feasibility study for next year. So masud na siya for feasibility study. Hopefully, masugdan ni siguro by late of 2027 or 2028 kung madayon ni siya.
Asa ni siya Gov specifically nga mga lungsod or city nga?
No, from end to end. From the north to the south.
Both side?
Yeah. No, of course, it's only kanang one side ra, but maybe na ay mga areas na we cross, you know. So we're not yet concrete with the plan pa kay it will go through the feasibility study pa.
But in a way, Gov, atong nakita nga marag benefit ani or impact is traffic congestion, especially nga marag nag-spread out na ang traffic here.
Yes, of course, it has also an impact sa ato ang economic activity, no? Kaya ang connectivity is also very important for economic growth this part of town, the 4th District. Na budget for a feasibility study, but we will look how we're going to finance it. It could be PPP, it could be mang loan ng province, we'll see.